Welcome, today in front of me Oppo A96, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should launch the Gmail application, and after that click here on the right upper corner. And you can see here that we're logged in into two accounts at the same time, and now I'll show you how to log out from one from these accounts in Gmail application. But to do that, we should first log out from the Google account on this device. So how to do that? You should click to the Manage Accounts on this device, and after that click to the Google section. Here you'll see there's two accounts, and now for example to log out from this one, click here, and on the right upper corner tap on these two dots or to more icon, then just click here to remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. And as can you see that in Google accounts settings we stay only with one Gmail account, so when we'll go back again to the application, we can see here the result that in application we also stay only with one account. So that's it, that's how to log out from Gmail account on our Oppo device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.